How to use my YouTube effects. Hi there, I'm Hiroyuki. Let me show you how to use my YouTube effects. Let's begin. First, open my YouTube channel. You'll see lots of shorts videos. Pick any effect you like and tap on it. If you press the Shorts tab, you'll find even more videos. When you open a Shorts video, you'll see a button in the bottom left corner. Tap that button, and the effect will open. Most effects will start as soon as you hit the record button. Have fun! Question 1. What if the button doesn't appear? Try restarting the YouTube app. Also, please make sure your app is up to date. If it still doesn't work, try using a different smartphone. Question 2. Can I use it on a tablet? Right now, the effects only work on smartphones. If you have more questions, feel free to leave a comment on the video. I'm always creating new effects, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next effect.